Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in today's video, we need to find out the value of this term 42 by, if you see here in the denominator, we don't have square root, we have cube root. So here you have 3 inside this root, right? So that means it is a cube root. I will remind you guys something, that if you have, suppose you have 42 by square root of 3 and you want to solve this, what do? You rationalize it with 3, or you multiply with root 3 and divide by root 3, so that you can solve it like this, because root 3 times root 3 will become 3, and then you can cancel this out and you will get 14 root 3, right? This is how we used to solve whenever we get square roots in the denominator. But the main purpose was to make it a complete number, right? Here, whole number. Okay, but here, what do you have here? You have cube root. So cube root is nothing but what? 3 raised to power 1 by 3, right? Okay, how can I make it 3? If I have 3 raised to 1 by 3, what should I multiply it with to make it a 3? So that means if I multiply with 2 by 3 raised to power 2 by 3. Why? Because this will become 3 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. When you multiply, you add the powers, right? Okay, so this will become 3 raised to power 1. So if I multiply this 3 raised to power 1 by 3 with 3 raised to power 2 by 3, I will get complete 3, right? Then I will have to multiply and divide with this thing. Whatever I am doing in denominator, I will have to do it in numerator as well here, right? Okay, so now I have 42, right? This is what? This is 3 raised to power 2 by 3. I can write it as 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 1 by 3, right? Okay, so then I have here, this will become 3. Now you cancel out and you get 14 here. So 14, and then you have 9, and then you have cube root of 9, because 9 raised to power 1 by 3. Why? 3 square was 9, right? So this is our answer, and this is how we solve these types of things. Cube root in the denominator, the main purpose is to make a whole number in the denominator, right? So you can cancel it out. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and if you are interested in maths riddles or short tricks, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.